A warm good afternoon, children. I hope all are safe at home. Stay home, stay healthy. Now let us start today's session with a cool math trick. So imagine yourself a number between 1 to 9. For example, I have imagined 3. Now, second step, you have to multiply by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Then you have to add with plus 6. So 9 plus 6, 15. Next, fourth step is divide by 3. So 15 by 3 is 5, isn't it? Yes. Now you have to find the difference between the first imagined number and what is the answer you have got now. That is 5 minus 3. So now let us play, children, in the same way. Yes. Now imagine yourself a number between 1 to 9. Yes. Multiply that number by 3. Then add by 6. Add that number by 6. Next, divide this answer by 3. Next, subtract this answer by the first number what you have imagined in your mind. Got, children? Shall I tell the answer? Yes. Is it not 2? Yes. You get 2 as the answer. Isn't tricky, children? Now, let us go to our today's topic. Now let us start with our topic, numbers up to 99 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Let us now solve the review exercise. Write the period, place and a place value of the encircled digit in the following numerals. As we learned the recapitulation sums of class 4. So now we all know that Indian system is divided into periods, place and place values. Now here we know that the numbers are divided into 3 periods. That is already as we learnt in class 4. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Today we are going to learn the same on this topic. Here, what is the number given? 4 is in lakhs place. So 4,81,659. So you have to write the encircled number. That is 6. What is the 6 period, place and place value? Now you can see that 6 is in hundreds place and comes in ones period. And you can write 6 is in ones period. And in ones period we get hundreds place, tens place, ones place. And in thousands period we get thousands place, 10,000s place. And in lakhs period we get lakhs place. So 6 is in ones place and the place of 6 is hundreds. And write the place value of 6. Place value means place into its value multiplied by its value. So 6 is in hundreds place. So 6 hundreds are the place value becomes 600. The next number we get it as 448,624. 4 is in 10,000 place. Then how you will read, children? 48,624. So now you have to write the period of 8. 8 is in thousands place. So which period we get? Yes, thousands period. 1,000 and 10,000 comes in thousands period. So we write it as 1,000 period. And 8 is in which place, children? Yes, again it is also the 1,000 place. And 8 What is the place value of 8? We all know how we have to calculate the place value. So 8 is in thousands place. So place multiplied by its value, 8 into 1000 is 8000. Next one. Again, how you will read this number? 9 is in 10,000s place. So 99,783. So now you have to calculate the period of encircled digit, that is 8. So 8 comes in which period? Hundreds and tens and ones comes in which period? Yes, ones period. And 8 is in which place? Yes, tens place. And what is the place value of 8? Yes, place multiplied by its value. So 8 tens are 80. The next one, 1 is in lakhs place. Then how you will read this number? 1,45,326. Once again I will repeat, children. 1,45,326. So now you have to write the encircled digit. That is 4. What is the period of 4? 4 is in which place, children? 10,000. So thousands and 10,000s comes in which period? Yes, thousands period. So now we can write 1000 period. 4 comes in 1000 period. And now you have to write the place of 4. That is 4 is in 10,000 place. So write down 10,000. Next, place value of 4. How you will calculate the place value? Place multiplied by its value. So 4 into 10,000 becomes 40,000. We all know 4 tens are 40. So 4 into 10,000 becomes 40,000. Next, rewrite the following in ascending order. As we learned from class 1 to class 4 that ascending order means a smaller digit to bigger digit or smaller quantity to bigger quantity, arranging the quantities from small to big. So as we know that, so first number should be the smallest number. How to find the smallest number in this? So there is a method as we learnt in class 4. That is, first count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is the lowest digit? Yes, 5 digit is the smallest number. So 43,865 is the smallest. Now you strike this number. Already it's over. We have written. Next, come on. Count the digits. First step is count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what we have to do? All are 6-digit number. Come to the next step. Take the biggest place. That is 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Did you get any answers? No. Then come to the next place. 10,000 place. 80,000, 30,000, 30,000. So here which is the lesser one? 30,000. So for 30,000 what you will do? There are two numbers. Again compare these two numbers. So you can underline this number and compare. So now 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Did you get any answer? No. Come to 10,000 place. 30,000, 30,000. No answer. Next come to the thousands place. 8,000, 8,000. Again no answer. Come to the hundreds place. 600, 800. Which is smaller, children? Yes, 600. So write down 4 lakhs 38,654. Now I have written this. So you can strike this number. In which number we have compared? No, the next number is 4 lakhs 38,854. Then what is remaining? The last number is 4 lakhs 83,654. Whenever you write the solution in mathematics, once you please check your answer, children. So here 43,865, 4 lakhs 38,654, 4 lakhs 38,854, 4 lakhs 83,650. Let us now solve the second one. First step is count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 5-digit number. Remaining all are 6-digit number. So what you have to do? The smallest number is 91,089. Now next, remaining are 6-digit number. Now compare the largest place. 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs. No answer. Come to the 10,000s place. 10,000, 19,000, 14,000. Which is smallest, children? Yes. 9,10,849 is the smallest one. So this is over. Next one. 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs. No answer. 19,000, 14,000. Which is smallest? Yes. 9 lakhs, 14,089. Now strike this number. Next come to the remaining number is 9 lakhs, 19,098. Once you check 91,089, 9 lakhs, 10,849, 9 lakhs, 14,089, 9 lakh, 19,098. Just write the number names for the following numerals. So whenever you see the number, first write the places, children. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Start from the right side towards the left. So write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now you can easily identify the number. So 5 is in 10,000 place. Then how you will read? 53,701. So now you can write easily in the words. Whenever you write the number name, start with the capital letter. 53,701. Next one. Whenever you see the number, what you have to do? Yes, you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. So how you will read the number? 9 lakh. There is no other places except one's place. So 9 lakh, 9. So you can write with capital letter. Start with capital letter. 9 lakh, 9. Next one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Now you can write 6 lakhs, 8,316. So 6 lakh. There is no 10,000 place. So 6 lakh, 8,316. 316. Next, fill in the blanks. The smallest 5-digit number or numeral. The smallest 5-digit numeral. Smallest means we already learnt. The smallest 1-digit number is 1. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The successor of 99,999. Successor means, children? Yes, it's an after number. The number which comes after the given number or by adding 1. So we get the successor of a number. So you can add it. 99,999 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carries, again same thing repeats, 10, 10, again last is 10. So by adding 1 to 99,999 we get, children, 1 lakh. We get 1 lakh. The successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh. The numeral for 4 lakh 4. How you will write 4 lakhs? Lakhs means 6-digit number, isn't it? 6-digit number means 4 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 lakhs 4. 1 lakh is dash thousands. How many thousands in 1 lakh? So we know that we have 100 thousands in 1 lakh. So 100 multiplied by thousands becomes 1 lakh. Here you have to write the numeral form for the expanded form. So here we have 3 lakhs. Yes. So start with 3 lakhs. Next comes the 10,000 place. Whether there is a 4 zeros? No. So again 0. And next 1000 is 8,000. Whether there is given 100? No hundreds. So 0. 51. So you get 3 lakhs 8,051. 3 lakhs 8,051. I hope, children, you have understood today's recapitulation of the topic numbers up to 99 crores 99 lakhs 99,999. Stay home, stay healthy, practice the sums regularly. Practicing means it's not reading. Max sums you have to write and practice in a rough note. Keep separate rough note and practice max sums regularly, day by day. Thank you, children. I hope all are fine. Thank you.